Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Nelson's low level of equilibrium trap. This theory is given by Richard Nelson in 1956. What do you mean by low level of equilibrium trap? That means our national income is very low. If income is low, obviously saving will also low. Without income, how people can save? If saving low, investment will also low because investment depend on saving. If investment low, that means output low, employment low. Eventually, our economic growth will always remain low, or we can say that our national income will always remain low. According to this theory, in order to come out from this trap, growth rate of income should be more than the growth rate of population. Because if growth rate of income is less than the growth rate of population, then more population will push down our per capita income and we will again stuck in low level of equilibrium trap. This theory mainly talk about three equation, or we can say this theory mainly talks about three terms: income growth rate, population growth rate, investment, or we can say capital formation. First of all, one by one, with the help of one diagram, we will understand all these terms. Now we will see diagram and will understand the three important terms of this theory. Here you can see we have three diagrams, A, B and C. All three diagrams are connected with each other. First of all, we will see diagram A. In this diagram, on x-axis we have level of per capita income and y-axis we have rate of growth in population. This red curve shows percentage growth rate in population. Here you can see at S point, growth rate of population and growth rate of per capita income is 0. But from S to A, as per capita income increasing, our growth rate of population also increasing. From A to B, growth rate of population become constant, and from B to P, growth rate of population start declining, but per capita income is still increasing. Because after certain time period, people become conscious about their standard of living. That's why now they are adopting a small family size. So we can say that as the per capita income is increasing, growth rate of population start declining. Now we will see diagram B. In this diagram, on x-axis we have level of per capita income and y-axis we have growth of capital investment. So here you can see this C point is connected with this S point, and this S point shows zero growth rate of per capita income and population. If growth rate of income is zero, that means saving is zero. So this point mainly shows zero saving. If saving is zero, that means investment is zero, growth rate of investment is zero. So we can say that at the C point, growth rate of investment is zero. But as per capita income is increasing, our investment also increasing. You can see our investment also increasing, and this II curve shows a growth rate in our investment. Now we will see diagram C, which is very important. In this diagram, on x-axis we have level of per capita income and y-axis we have rate of growth of population and rate of growth of total income. So here you can see this black, this Y curve shows a growth rate in total income, and this red, this PP curve shows growth rate in population. And this O point connected with this C and S point, and this O point shows growth rate of income and growth rate of population is equal to each other. If growth rate of population and growth rate of total income are equal to each other, that means zero saving, no saving. If no saving, that means no investment. If no investment, that means no output, no employment. Eventually our economic growth will always remain down, or we can say that our national income will always remain down. That's why this O point will be called low level of equilibrium trap. As we earlier discussed, in order to come out from this trap, growth rate of income should be more than the growth rate of population. After O point, our population is growing, our income also growing. But growth rate of population is more than the growth rate of income. This red curve shows a growth rate of population. This black curve shows growth rate of income. You can see red curve is above than the black curve. That means growth rate of population is more than the growth rate of income. And more population will push down our per capita income. As a result, we will again stuck in this low level of equilibrium trap. So in order to come out from this trap, we need a big jump, we need a big investment so that we can reach at this K point. After K point, you can see growth rate of income is more than the growth rate of population. You can see income growth curve is above than the population growth curve. That means growth rate of income is more than the growth rate of population, and we are coming out from this low level of equilibrium trap. After certain time period, we will reach at this T point. T will be called new stable equilibrium point. This is good for our economic growth. After T point, you can see again growth rate of population is more than the growth rate of income. Then we need government intervention so that government will invest in economy. And when government will invest in economy, we will reach again at this T point, which will be called more stable and good equilibrium point. Now we will see criticism. This theory assumes timeless relationship. Means this theory describe timeless relationship between population growth, per capita income and investment. Means not clearly defined. These relationships are short time period or long time period. This theory assumes stable social political system, but this is not true, especially in economy with low per capita income. This theory ignore other factor of economic growth. According to this theory, investment play very important role in economic growth, but technology also play important role in economic growth, but this theory ignore it. This theory assumes stable capital output ratio, but this is not true. Capital output ratio change according to production. According to this theory, rapid response of population per capita income. This is also not true. So this is all about a low level of equilibrium trap. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.